With more people creating videos and DCI P3 being the most ideal video editing color standard, it's time we introduced an advanced DCI P3 monitor for the masses. We've designed the ProArt Display PA279CRV to cater to your creative needs. This 27-inch 4K HDR IPS monitor features 99% DCI P3 and a 99% Adobe RGB wide color gamut, plus Delta E less than 2 color accuracy. The built-in USB-C port provides 96-watt power delivery, allowing you to charge laptops and other peripherals via a single cable. PA279CRV is 30% thinner than its predecessor, and its base is 33% smaller, so it takes up less space on your desk. In addition to the 27-inch PA279CRV model, this series also includes 24 and 32-inch models. All three monitors meet global environmental standards, including EPEAT Gold, Energy Star, and TCO, to ensure energy-efficient performance and a low carbon footprint, reinforcing ASUS's commitment to the environment. With the latest ProArt displays, you'll experience stunning, accurate colors and enjoy a smoother, more productive workflow.
So my name is Peter Hegedus. I'm the Deputy Director for Research and Engagement at the film school here, but I'm also a filmmaker. I've been making films since 1998, so quite a long time, and I've been teaching here at the film school since 2013. Monitors are really critical because they show the audience the world that we as filmmakers are trying to explore. Having a good quality monitor is so critical because at the end of the day, film is about having beautiful visuals, and a great quality monitor can get us really close to reality. Here at GFS we have over 900 students, and we spend a lot of time looking at students' works on monitors. So it's really important to have the right monitor with the right settings. The benefits of the ultrawide monitor is that our students can see their entire timeline laid out on one screen. Our industry is changing so rapidly, and so it's really important that we at the film school keep up with technology, and more importantly, that our students are able to work with the latest technology available to tell their stories. And good quality monitors are a really important part of this process.
If you like the video, please click on the like button, write a comment, and subscribe to my channel.